students, today we are going to do an activity related to Earth Day. Now, Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. We celebrate Earth Day to raise awareness among humans to protect and save our Mother Earth. For this activity, we need Play-Doh of two colors, blue and green, glue, a pair of scissors, black marker, something round, and hard chart paper. I am using white hard chart paper. You can use any color. First, take this and draw a circle for the earth. Now students, you can see that there are large masses of land on the earth. So draw these land masses. Now cut these. Now your earth is ready and cut it. Now you can see this is the green part, that's the land, and this the blue part is the water. So take the glue and spread the glue on the land part. What we are going to do is we are going to paste this Play-Doh Spread it with your fingers. Make it flat. Now the green part is done. Now take the glue and spread on the other area which is left. And over here you are going to use blue for water. Now let it dry. I have one already made before. Look over here. When it will dry, it will look like this. And it is quite hard. Can you feel? It is quite hard. You can hang it and decorate it somewhere. I hope children you like this activity and you will enjoy doing it. Thank you.